Every painting has its own history. I'm fascinated by what it might have been. If it could talk, what stories would it tell? It's a mystery I face with each piece I work on. It's vital to understand as best I can what the artist was thinking, how the paints were mixed, the artist's color palette, what each brushstroke represents. How was a certain effect created? What was the process? It's different every time. And for me, that challenge never gets old. As an art conservator, it's my job not to create art, but rather preserve and sometimes recreate art as close to exact as the artist intended. I never question a color. I only strive to recreate it. Uncovering the true vibrant color the artist intended from behind a veil of haze that slowly covered the surface over years unnoticed until the day arrived that the painting was lost, it's like uncovering a mystery every time. Paintings have a life. They live and breathe. Like all of us, paintings too need to be cared for and kept healthy when things break down or become ill. They can't live on their own. They need to be kept after. And by continuing to bring paintings back to good health, by uncovering the mystery and preserving the artist's intention, then I'm helping to keep these paintings alive for generations to come, for families to enjoy, for viewers in museums to enjoy, and most of all, to keep the culture alive and to be able to relive history and enjoy the wonderful work of the artists of our time and before.